Hey everyone, you are watching Technology Welfare. In this tutorial, I will show you everything step by step with real demonstrations how to fix iPhone lock to owners at your home with the help of PC or laptops. It happens sometimes when we entered multiple times wrong passcode. Sometimes you are not a genuine owner of particular any iPhones. Don't worry, either your device is in the blacklist, stolen mode, lost mode. In each situation, you can fix by a similar strategy. Without doing the jailbreaks, yes, without doing jailbreak at your home. No chargeable, all the driver and the tool we will use here that are totally free, but you will have to apply step by step similar strategy. So don't skip ahead. Every step is going to be a crucial. So right now, see, after accessing the data, this iTunes is just saying that this is a lock to owner. So confirm it, and thereupon we will have to use a one tool that we will try to firstly, yes, all the especially whatever the data is inside or retaining data on particular iPhones, that we will try to delete, and if there will be no retaining data, then easily we can, yes, when we connect with iTunes once again, then iTunes will give you an opportunity to create the strong Apple ID and password. With password, and directly we will transfer and we will go for enjoy as anyone. So this device is the came at my shop today at the morning time to fix it, and now that I'm trying to fix it with tutorial. So this may be, yes, this is maybe beneficial for someone who is having this kind of the problems, and that's why I decided to record. So let's see now. First and foremost, you will have to come in especially to download that is a blob saver files. Firstly, we will try to reactivate of all the especially data that is retaining inside of it. So here, see, we are on here. Just we will click on a read from device. So now it has detected files. Now here we will select these ones that yes, also TSS saver or plus SSHS host and include bits, and we will go for read it. So when we click on a read it, then it will go in a recovery and it will fetch the everything here. So just I'm trying to here to read it. Now see carefully, reactivate, then we will delete all the retaining data that is inside of it, and thereupon if there will be no retaining the cloud data as well as the Apple data inside this device or on this device, then there will be no chances to especially. So now we will come on here and yes, let me click on here. So see, it's saying the frozen and not just keep wait guys, don't do extra anything, automatically it will be. So don't worry, just now see it's of course it's readings fines. Don't worry, don't do anything guys here. Just we will have to wait here, we'll have to wait here. Yes, we will have to wait, and now see, still so now it has started to read especially APN. So of course we will wait. Now successfully got APNs existing and everything. So now yes, here will be options to a finish will be highlighted, then we will have to leave it, otherwise maybe you will have the problem. So do step by step guys, just waiting guys. Now still it is especially, yes, now succeed. See guys here, now succeed, just we will click on a finish and all the details of this reading file has been activated. So just we will click on it and of course write anything especially, and of course keep to save, and response here, just we will now close it. So now once again it came on especially. So see, still it is lock to links, don't worry. Now we will go on setting the language, we will go for especially country, we will go for especially selection, especially this thing, and now second things that we will have to go for run as administrations, that is especially 3U tool guys here. When we open a 3U tools, now see here, yes, we will go for here without, we will go for here customize, we will go for continue, and now see all the detail cam, we will come in a toolbox 2, of course we will come now especially crash analysis, and now it is still linked. Fine, we will go file inside, load of the file is that now here. Just we will go for select the all and we will try to delete it. So all the file 11 file especially that has been deleted, refresh, confirm it, there is no data, fines. Now we will come on especially once again to clear all the Safari history. So tap on a, I think maybe visible or not, but tap on a real logs and we will clear at least 20 times. So we will have to especially clear, guys. So almost of course now clear, and thereupon of course here once again these phones we will refresh and now make it pass, we will clear, then we will close it at least 20 times. We will have to apply this. Now third things especially let's keep this 3U tool here and this iTunes keep it on a here, and third tool that we have especially that is Imaging PC. Now all the retaining the cloud database server that we will clear. So now it has detected, fine, we will come and especially use to, of course we will tap on it and tap to now here just we can go on especially let's cancel, we will come to show device console and here is show device console. Keep clearing, guys, keep clearing, so of course. So now here is options to keep clearing, so of course we'll go for clear all the data. Okay, at least 20 times we will have to clear. So now of course fines we will come on here and the phone keep clearing. So now of course at least 20 times, guys, fines keep clearing. So then here one more times we will have to refresh, so fresh data will be attracted to a deletes fines. Now till the date of 2 days are coming, fines. Yes, now it's asking still it is fine, no problem at all. Yes, we will come in here and clear. Yes, we will. Let's especially minimize and keep clearing. Now here is option that is RAC mode, hit this one and of course we will clear. So now almost we have done, so we will close all the multiple especially tools. Now we have finished all the cleared, either it is either that data was coming from the cloud data and Apple database server, of course we had a class. Now we will close it and thereupon left there's 3U tool here and welcome the smart flash. So try to especially have refresh. Let's have a latest beta version that is especially here, see 26.1 beta 2. So just we will try to import it, but you can download it also directly here. This can be beta version downloaded from some various website. One is www.3u.com, second is that yes ipsw.beta.com, third is itself Apple. So just let me import and we're telling you here desktop I kept here similar. So just we will approach now, so it has started to verify here, let it complete. This can be downloaded from especially ipsw.com, also ipsw.me.com also. So there are various websites, guys, you can have, and if you wanna directly, then of course right here that link and below description box yes I will give you a link for all our by the Google Drive also, and of course you can have it easily and you can fix it at your home. So now it has successfully imported. Just here we will click on a quick mode, don't select the retain user data, otherwise there will be no benefit. So if you miss one step then you will have a problem, so please don't skip ahead, every step is very crucial. Now quick flash, we will go for here, don't select the fixed battery health during this, not required, just we will go for click on here. Now we have just trying to exit from say especially the recovery store especially normal, and it will start to come with the new data. So now here yes we can close these items not required, so that one software that will be functional with speedily. So that's why actually I'm waiting for now results. 2-3 crucial steps that we will have to execute at the end of this tutorial. That is very crucial. So of course we will have to wait till the end of this tutorial. and directly we will transfer the new Apple ID, yes, by creating iTunes to especially this device. And yes, two more devices today I will have to unlock. So at the morning time I was free, so just decided to record with the special unlocking. So maybe a beneficial for someone who's having this kind of. So this is only for institution purpose, so don't misuse it, guys. Learn and fix it at your homes. Now see, we have raised on especially, yes, 42% is, well, of course we will wait here. And during the flashing, of course, guys, during the flashing, your device may restart. Of course, your device may restart multiple times. So please don't unplug the device. Otherwise, of course, it will stack on Apple logo on a similar situation, and thereupon manually you will have to put this device hardly that up volume, then leave it, down volumes, then leave it. Quickly you will have to keep holding the switch off or on off key till it's not exit from the Apple logo to a normal mode. When it will come in a normal mode, then when it comes in a normal mode, then all the software will be functional. Otherwise every tools and driver will be especially non-functional. So that's why, guys, now we are on a 52 percentage. Don't look at on air, look at on air, and that's more than 70 percentage we have completed. How much time do we spend here? Approximately 11 minutes, but give me a 20-minute, guys. Within a 20-minute our device is especially, of course, and iPhones we fix it every day issue, don't worry. Now just and any kinds of the confusion, the queries, and then of course you can blindly raise the query, drop the query in the comments box. Please would be to reply your query, guys. Out of most that we have on a 52, no, more than 70%, guys. Only 2-3 crucial steps at the end of that we will have to. And why I'm trying to say you that don't escape, because of maybe any error will come in the midst of it. Then how do you fix it? Because sometimes due to update, or sometimes due to when the internet connection if disconnects in the midst of it, however, 3 will give you error, because this is a totally functioning on a Apple data and the cloud database. So that's why. And you should have the second internet connection also, because at the end of, if you will have the problem, then immediately you can, if in the midst of internet connection or any error will come, and then you can get a second internet connection by a hotspot also from any phones you can have, so no problem at all. But Blobsable use it so that server will be completely fixed all the because it happens sometimes due to old special iPhones. And this customer told me that he kept lasted 2-3 months especially this device, and now today came especially, let's see, we are trying to fix. I hope so that this will be a fix. Now yes, we are waiting, but more than 90% we have completed. And please drop the comment in the comment box if you want the older drivers by Frif course, and the totally by Frif course you can go on itself on a official website. Otherwise, if you are unable to, then of course in the comment box, right, just we will pin the all the special driver the tools, you can easily have it, and of course you can fix it. So don't worry if you are having this kind of the problems, and that either it is locked owner, time screen passcode, also this can be fixed. iDevice mobile management locks, and this can be also fixed here by using similar strategy. And cloud activation locked owner, that is of course easy to fix by a similar way. So still I'm waiting, the timer is going on and in front of you especially. So almost 14 minutes we have spent here, and we are having, so now it is to restart, guys. See, so after restarting, so when this will be detectable, the quickly we will have to execute a 2-3 crucial step, and then once again especially will try to access all the data, try to read all the data by virtue of iTunes, and still they will check it out in that link to any idea or not. Still it is on especially, see, now it is still not a special restart. It's a special I'm taking the time, guys, so don't worry. Yes, we will have to wait. Don't do anything extra here, otherwise, of course, if error will come, so then you will have the problem. Data cable, that should be original, guys, always. Otherwise, of course, if data cable is not original, then you will have a problem, guys. Yeah, so that's why I'm saying. Yeah, still it is stacked on a spatially. See? Yes, we will. Now it has reached on 72%, but here you can see. And the actual information I'm giving, if the 3U tool is giving, especially I'm the wrong, and not reading the proper way, not sending the all the data, especially this particular, the rejecting the entire condition. These things can be especially rendered by using a iTunes also. So if you are unable to do it, then write a give another method, then of course I will give you via another method, but more reliable. Firstly, it will give you but result, but by using a special iTunes, it will take you more than 30 minutes. So that's why. Now we will come in a special M toolbox. Why it's so? Because it's given the congratulation that it has been completed. So just we will tap on it and wait for highlighted batch activations. Why we will executes? Because this will escape the setting region, language, Wi-Fi, locations, Apple ID, Face ID, Touch ID, time screen, everything, so guys. And directly we will go the inside of this device. And not going the inside without touching. Also, especially we will try to firstly create a new Apple ID and password with password according to our initialization ID, and directly we will transfer. And as a new one, while the processing, you can instead any. So now it has been highlighted. Fine, we'll go for executes in this one. Select all, yeah, tap on it and execute it. So now see here, it has just started to activate and skipping all the setups. Now, if you're having the error, no chances to have the error, because if you saved all and reactivated by using a blob, see the first tools. That's why I used to fix this kind of error, because some of the viewer who was complaining now that we are unable to execute. So I was giving the advice to change the internet connection, that almost it's going to fix. So here, if you are having this kind of the problem, of course, immediately you can change the internet connection. Yes, when it notify that any errors finds, and then go for executes, it will be a functional. Mostly 25% to 50% that problem will be a troubleshoot, will be a fix. However, there is a connection that we will have to find out the what's the sales area of particular iPhones, and that we will have to use of course, yes, virtual private networks to the customized option, the precise location, and then of course fix it. 100% surely it will be a fix now. And then of course we will try to access. So further we will see here any error will come, and then of course now see both has given a green sign, so there is no chances. So almost in this device of course will be also unlocked, no problem at all. Now just we will click on it, especially start, and they start to of course here within 10 seconds the activation option would be highlighted, and when it will be highlighted, and then sure, so we will go for. So let's now it's should be highlighted, fine. Now see it has done, so everything should we have the completed from my side now here. Yes, I'm sure. Let's access by using a special iTunes. What's in the iTunes is the things that it is still getting to link to particular any idea and asking enter the plugin password. That's what I used to set up this device, or it's giving another any message. Now it has just started to access the data. Once again, it will access, and thereupon we will see further here. So almost the guys here. Once again, it has just started to now. It's welcoming. Sure. What do you say, guys? Here? Do you have any doubts in that? It has. Now here, don't click on a continue, just we will go on the account to, of course, here is options to other sign in to here, create a new ID. When we tap on create a new ID, now it will give you an opportunity, blindly you can create a new ID with password, accept term and condition, verify the password, go for the continue, and this ID, if you fulfilled all the criteria of this, especially creating a new ID, then of course, this ID would be a transfer directly on that side. you can enjoy as a new ones. Now still I'm waiting for these completions, but still it is not completed. Don't worry guys, we will have to wait here. But almost, of course, surely 100%, if you are having this, it has been locked. Otherwise we will see live here now. Still it is a special I'm the installing this. Let it complete a rebooting, and the other one of course will go for. So it will ask you hello screen 2 times already. I'm mentioning to you guys here. Just we will have to wait, and thereupon of course we will see here. Now see the black screen is coming, so don't worry. Automatically it will come on a hello screen, and then of course we will come in here. Click to, of course we will select the language, and the language to here. Now see once again come on the hello screen fans. Of course, now what we will do guys here, just we will wait here. Just once again we will have to select the language, and thereupon now there is no internet connection, there is no SIM card. So yes, don't use a SIM card while you're doing the everything. Otherwise, of course, maybe network area locks you will get. So just we will now here is options, and that erase and start again. Don't click on here. Smartly we will have to play this, continue with the partial setup, and of course here we go partial setups now in this forms. What do you see guys here? Just no SIM card detected. Fans we will go the inside of Apple ID. Now it's a sanction, that is we'll connect to the internet to the sign into without having the internet connection. Even if new phones you cannot lock, but you cannot open, but this phone has been finalized, everything has been finished as a new ones. Yes, after restarting it will trap in a especially once again lock to owner, no, because face ID everything has been disabled. Now see, insert the SIM card. If the SIM card is not functioning, then once again we will come in here. Will come the smart toolbox. So of course we have the virtual locations to the fixed true location, and the system will be rebooted of your iPhones, and upon once again it will come the true location. So easily local networks will be especially cached, and now SIM card will be fully functional. So thank you for staying the till end of this tutorial guys. Thank you very much indeed. It will come on our home screen, and directly of course you can enjoy as a nuance now whatever you would like to, no problem at all. So thank you for the any inquiry. Of course I had a query below the comments box. Sometimes would be man to reply your query. Now see directly. Once again, thank you for staying till the end of this tutorial. Hi, this is the Technology Welfare, and I will be back with a step-by-step with new tutorial guys. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this content. Yes, share this content especially. It really supports the channel guys. So thank you very much indeed. Bye bye.